as we continue to watch all that's been going on, we watch with not only that, but with the chance for these storms to continue to move over portions of the Northeast today as well. So this after we saw a lot of video coming in from yesterday. Look at these storms that barrel through portions of Chicago, through the suburbs. Big problem there yesterday. We had reports of some baseball-sized hail in some spots. Britta, this has been tough.
Yeah, the town of Appleton, Wisconsin, it will be shared across the country today.
Yeah.
They were thrashed by a powerful tornado. Video pouring into the Fox Weather News Center showing you the destruction, all caused by these storms. This is particularly the tornado video from Appleton. So right now we have a lot of people that are still without power. At the peak of this, we had 500,000 people without power across the Great Lakes. So a very tough day yesterday. If you remember back to our show yesterday morning, we had a pretty aggressive outlook for severe weather, 3 out of 5, with a lot of focus on straight line winds. But that tornado damage out of Appleton is pretty jaw-dropping.
Yeah. We saw some reports of tornadoes out of Illinois as well, but to Wisconsin we go and take a look at this. Appleton, there's Appleton. You can see where it went, and then over portions of the lake for a bit. Some of the video coming in from some of the lakes.
Turning into a water spout.
Yeah, Lake Winnebago. Just impressive when you see this. So that was one, and when you look at the signatures on the radar, it went from just a perfect hook right there with a lot of rain with this, by the way. Some of the visibility issues were, I mean, it was a concern because there was a lot of rain there. You can see the debris ball pretty intense and massive at that. Of course, when you talk about debris ball, it's things that are lofted in the atmosphere that shouldn't be there. The rotation was also extreme. And then you can also see where we had right about there at the start of this event, and it lasted. We'll wait to see the report coming in from the National Weather Service. It wasn't
they've
the
done
only
a preliminary look at the tornado report out of Appleton, but they'll finalize it in the next couple days.
And what about the hailstones? Man, we had some hailstones that were out there as well.
A 4.5-inch hailstone, by the way, that puts you in the top tier of the largest hailstones that we really see across our country. That's something that you would get in Nebraska. So to see that in the Great Lakes is pretty impressive. Pushing towards today, here's today's outlook. Again, we talked about the flood impact for the Northeast, how it goes hand in hand with a severe component. With this warm front lifting to the north, look out, guys. It's such a big trigger for tornadoes because you have a lot of twist in the atmosphere, and we're talking about Richmond, Virginia, Raleigh, North Carolina. We have a lot of people that live up and down the 95 corridor on the East Coast. And not only is it a tornado threat, but we could see some really strong straight line winds. And it has been wet on the East Coast. So these trees, you know, they're going to come down quite easily. I would prepare for power outages. Make sure you keep everything charged up.
Here's the area that we're watching. You talk about those straight line winds. Then ahead of the front, we got a lot of storm energy to contend with, heat and humidity. That's starting to increase this morning. You'll notice it as you step out the door. As far as timing, there's a couple of areas to watch, not only for the mid-Atlantic, but we'll talk about the Northeast as well. Look at all this energy by 12 o'clock this afternoon. I'll point your attention to 2 areas right here as we go through 3 and 4 and 5 o'clock. Now you're looking at some of those storms moving through the tri-state area and into the mid-Atlantic, and that's going to be the problem for us this afternoon through early tomorrow morning.